Beyond the title view you created in the previous lecture, you'll add text views to contain details about the food, such as the name of the street and state it's in. When creating a Swift UI view, you describe its content, layout, and behavior in the view's body property. However, the body property only returns a single view. You can combine and embed multiple views in stacks, which group views together horizontally, vertically, or back to front. In this lecture, you'll use a vertical stack to place the title above a horizontal stack that contains details about the food. You can use Xcode's structured editing support to embed a view in a container view on Open an Inspector, or help with other useful changes. Command-click the text view's initializer to show the structured editing popover, and then choose Embed in VStack. Next, you'll add a text view to the stack by dragging a text view from the library. Open the library by clicking the plus button at the top right of the Xcode window, and then drag a text view to the place in your code immediately below the cheesesteak text view. Replace the text view's placeholder text with Jim's Steaks South Street. Set the font to subheadline. Edit the VStack initializer to align the views by their leading edges. By default, stacks center their contents along their axis and provide context-appropriate spacing. Next, you'll add another text view, this for the food state. In the canvas, command-click Jim's Steaks South Street and choose Embed in HStack. Add a new text view after the location, change the placeholder text to the food state, and then set its font to subheadline. To direct the layout to use the full width of the device, separate the street and the state by adding a spacer to the horizontal stack holding the two text views. A spacer expands to make its containing view use all of the space of its parent view, instead of having its size defined only by its contents. Finally, use the padding modifier method to give the food's name and details a little more space.